Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Unicorn Diary.
Yes. Then welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Then today also we are going to make a beautiful handwork. Therefore, I have invited Princess Marita and my little Princess Odara. So, today we are going to make a beautiful pen cover. This is also you can gift for your friends, for your daughter, for your son on Children's Day as a gift. ඉතින් අදත් අපි handwork එකක් කරන්න හදන්නේ. ඒකට මම invite කරා Princess Marita-ටයි Odara-ටයි. ඉතින් අද අපි handwork එකට කරන්න හදන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ pen cover එකක් හදන්න හදන්නේ. Okay, then let's start the handwork. Princess Marita, shall we start? First, we will say what are the things that we need. Yellow color squares and some big squares with purple color, a scissor, pen and paper quilling tool, a piece of a wrapping paper, a glue bottle and a sponge. Okay, then let's start. First we are going to cover the pen with a wrapping paper. Let's apply some glue and we can cover the pen with the wrapping paper. Odara, you know my favorite color also light blue. What's yours?
Pink.
Pink. Then you can cover the pen with pink color.
But the only thing is I don't have wrapping papers in pink.
Okay. Then we'll use another one. Okay, now we are going to cut a flower
Like this.
You can bend the square like this. And cut the petals. In the same way, you can cut small flowers. Okay, now you can keep the flowers on the sponge and you have to use the paper quilling tool. To make the flowers like this.
Teacher,
Yes.
when I write, when I'm writing a drawing, can I use this?
Yes. You can cover a pencil also like the same way.
Okay.
We need two big flowers and small two flowers. We need two big flowers and two small flowers.
It's like a water lily.
Yeah. Okay, now you can paste the flowers on the pen. Okay, here we go. Now we have finished making a pen cover, a beautiful pen cover. It's really nice. This one looks like a real water lily. Isn't it, Odara?
What are these?
This one looks like a lotus flower because it's pink. Okay, then my children, you also can try out these handworks. You can gift them for your friends, to your teacher, okay? This handwork we did today because of the Children's Day. Then happy Children's Day all of you. Then Princess Marida, thank you so much. ඉතින් හැමදාම වගේ අපිට අලුත් handworks ගොඩක් අරගෙන එනවා. Princess Maridaට ගොඩක් ස්තුති වෙනවා. Then for the day I'm going to end the lesson. Goodbye my children.
Goodbye, friends.